desktop computer. I think probably because of my all-in-one desktop, I store a lot of stuff in there. This one I haven't stored anything. I haven't bookmarked anything. Probably that's why. Watch YouTube video? No thanks. Let me go to my channel. So cheer. Kind of slow. Okay, it's worked well. Now, okay, you can see this my channel here. It's almost done. Ba, đợi một chút được không? Ba. Con đang thâu, con đang thâu. Okay, video. Let's see how fast is it. Okay, it's just faster than another one. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, done. Let me close. Oh, some free stuff, something. No, that's not. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next video. Done. Bye bye.